Welcome to our comparison of the COSTWAY Twin Tub and the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub washing machines. Today, we'll explore their unique features, capacities, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. The COSTWAY model offers a budget-friendly option with a total capacity of 26 pounds, while the Erivess model provides a larger capacity of 32 pounds along with additional features like a drying rack and hangers. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to washing capacity, the COSTWAY Twin Tub can handle up to 26 pounds, which includes 18 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning. In contrast, the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub offers a larger total capacity of 32 pounds, with 20 pounds for washing and 12 pounds for spinning. This makes the Erivess model a better choice for those who need to wash larger loads at once. In terms of features, the COSTWAY Twin Tub is designed for basic functionality, providing separate washing and spinning tubs for convenience. On the other hand, the Erivess model stands out with its added drying rack and 10 hangers, making it a more comprehensive solution for your laundry needs. This feature can save you time and effort when it comes to drying your clothes. Price is always a significant factor when making a purchasing decision. The COSTWAY Twin Tub is priced at $189, making it a more affordable option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub is priced at $203, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features. Depending on your budget and laundry needs, either option could be a great choice. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY and Erivess washing machines have their pros and cons. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with basic functionality, the COSTWAY Twin Tub is a solid choice. However, if you need a larger capacity and additional features like a drying rack, the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub may be worth the extra cost. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.